A manos llenas. A manos llenas. Do you know what this Spanish expression means? Let's talk about that. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the Spanish expression a manos llenas. A manos llenas. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, let's get it started. Okay, the Spanish expression a manos llenas means literally full hands, to full hands. This Spanish expression is very common and it means a lot, generously, or something like by the handful. Just imagine your hands full of something. You know, you have a lot of something in your hands. You're holding something in your hands and it is a lot. It could be something good or something bad. Use this expression in situations where there is a lot of something. It could be tangible or intangible. Okay, now let's see a few examples using this expression. Hay políticos que roban a manos llenas. Hay políticos que roban a manos llenas. This means there are politicians that steal by the handful. As you can see, a manos llenas can be used for something positive or for something negative. In this situation, it's something negative because politicians are stealing money. Hay políticos que roban a manos llenas. There are politicians that steal by the handful or that steal a lot. Okay, let's see another example. María gastó dinero a manos llenas. María gastó dinero a manos llenas. This means Maria spent a lot of money. So, this is another example where we can see that a manos llenas can be used for spending money. If you are spending a lot of money and you're just buying a lot of things, you could use this expression. In this case, Maria is spending a lot of money. María gastó dinero a manos llenas. Mucho dinero. Okay. Now let's see another example. La luz en la casa entra a manos llenas. La luz en la casa entra a manos llenas. The light gets in the house generously. This is finally some positive example. As you can see, there is a lot of light coming through the window or coming somehow into the house. And it's a bright house. So, la luz en la casa entra a manos llenas. So, if you are in the real estate business, you could use this expression to show that the property is very good. It's bright. Okay, anyway, let's move on. Netflix tiene buenas películas a manos llenas. Netflix tiene buenas películas a manos llenas. This means Netflix has great movies by the handful. A lot of good movies. Netflix has a lot of great movies. So that's one way to say that there are a lot of things to watch on Netflix. So yeah, that's pretty great. You can use this expression in this situation as well. Now let's see one more example. La fiesta tuvo comida a manos llenas. La fiesta tuvo comida a manos llenas. This means the party had a lot of food. So, that's once again, a manos llenas means a lot. Something that you have enough of. In this case, the party had a lot of food. And that's pretty awesome. Who doesn't like food, right? Yeah, so that's it. Now you know how to use this Spanish expression. It's very easy to use. You don't have to worry about grammatical gender. You don't have to worry about plural forms. You just have to say a manos llenas. A manos llenas. Okay, now let's read some of your comments. Okay, I'm trying to find some comments right now. Okay, Rach Carrot says, recommendation, muñeca. Muñeca. This is from the video mismo. Spanish word of the day, 301. Maybe you want to know the meaning of muñeca. And just briefly, I can tell you that muñeca means doll. It also means wrist. So that's quite interesting. Muñeca means doll, as in the toy, just like the toy. And also it means wrist. And muñeca can be used as like a way to say dear or doll to a person, you know, as a love word, something like that. So you could say, ¿Cómo estás, muñeca? Or you could also say, te extraño, muñeca, right? So usually men say that to women, but only if they kind of know each other or if they have a relationship, a romantic relationship. So you could use that word, you know, just as an expression of love. But yeah, muñeca basically means those three things. So I hope my answer helps you. Okay, say the Charming says, is there another way to say gets better in Spanish? I don't understand this conjugation. So if someone can explain, please. This is from the video tras, Spanish word of the day, 302. I can tell you that gets better. Is there another way to say gets better in Spanish? It depends what you want to say, but basically you could use the Spanish verb mejorar. Mejorar. Mejorar in Spanish means to get better or to improve. So this is the verb that you need. Once again, it depends what you want to say, but mejorar is an excellent Spanish verb that will help you say that. Okay? Thank you for your comment. Let's read one more comment. Bucky Barnes and Noble says, this was very creative. I liked it. This comment is from Let's Play Spanish Pictionary. That was actually a live stream. Thank you so much for your comment. I'm glad you liked it. That's one thing that I would like to keep doing in the future. I want to do more live stream kind of videos, and I want to play games, you know, because I think you learn more Spanish when you're having fun. And also you can practice your Spanish. So yes, soon you're going to see more of this. We're gonna play more Spanish Pictionary. So stay tuned, and also leave in the comment section down below, when will you like me to do live streams? Like, when is the time or day that you prefer for this? Because I know some people work, some people have other things going on. So I would like to know what you think. Also the day and time that you prefer for this. Okay? That was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Please leave more examples down below using the Spanish expression a manos llenas. Also leave your comments, your questions, because who knows, maybe I will be reading your comment or question in future videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel. You only need to go to smlessons.com and click on donate, or you can click on the link that I'm leaving down below. Another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!